You've learned the moves. Now let's do it for real. We will call a live API running on the internet and read actual data that comes back. What is an API? It's a service that serves data, not a web page. Think of a library counter. You ask for a book by its number. The librarian hands you exactly that book. An API works the same way. You call its address and it returns the item packed neatly as JSON. Here is a real one. We call JSON placeholder.com. Then /post/1 to ask for post number 1. Let's break it apart. The host is the live service. /post/1 is the exact item. And JSON is the shape of the reply. Run it and back comes. Real structured data, an ID, a title, a body, all ready to use. Why does this matter? Because this is exactly how real apps get data. No demo, no fake numbers. This is the real internet. So that is a live API. Next up, what is an API key?